it's noirnerd, and welcome to my new channel for focusing on web development, engineering, coding, and game development, including tips, general vlogs, thoughts on coding and programming from a creative angle, and tutorials, as well as general vlogs talking about programming, my experience with programming, my struggles with programming that I can have sometimes, as every coder has, I'm sure, my experience working on different things, and yeah, hopefully it's just going to be a place where I can talk about my projects in depth. I hope to do some vlogs where I can talk in depth about why I've done things, how I've done things, what I did wrong sometimes, even not also necessarily. I'm not one of those programmers who's always like I am right all the time, which is boring. You really learn anything that way anyway, I suppose, if you like that. So yeah, I'll be posting up some videos, tutorials, off the cuff vlogs. I previously had a YouTube page, Noir Vortex, but I think it was just getting a bit too randomized. I wanted to streamline it a bit more, so I'm decided to start from scratch with this noirnerd video channel. Yeah, so the first video probably coming up is probably going to be me going over a project. I'll post that up shortly, so watch out for that. Subscribe if this sounds like your sort of thing. If you're into coding, if you're into art, if you're into tech. And watch for some more videos from what I'll be posting up soon. Cheers.